Okay, so we're going to make a equilateral triangle tool. So go to the top and select the segment tool. Right now it's on line tool, so I need to click the triangle, go down to segment, and then you're going to click 2 points and that will make your segment. Then we need to make 2 circles with centers A and B whose radius is the length of AB. So at the top you'll see the circle with center through point tool. Select that, and then you're going to click on the center like A. You don't have to hold down the mouse, then just click on B and that will make the one circle. We still have that tool selected, so we don't need to click it again, so now we'll click on B and then A. And now we need to use the intersection tool, which I think for me is under lines. It looks like this. See, intersect 2 objects. Select that and then point at the intersection of the 2 circles at the top, and it will make that intersection point when you click. Last, you go up to the polygon tool here at the top. It looks like a triangle, like a shaded in triangle, and then click all 3 vertices in order and then go back to whichever the first one was that you clicked, and that will make the polygon. Now we're ready to make the tool. So before you do that, you need to know the name of this polygon. So if you right click on the polygon, mine is called Poly 1, so write down what the name of yours is. If you've done a lot of stuff on your page already, you're going to need to write that down. And write down the names of the points. So we had points A, B, and C. So now go up to Tools, create a new tool, and then our output object is going to be the polygon. So from this drop-down menu, if you don't see that, find the polygon and select it, but mine's already showing up there. And my input objects are going to be A and B. Again, if you don't see yours listed there, then use this drop-down menu and select them. Then we need to name the tool, so I'm going to call it Fifield's, nope, that's not how I spell my name, tool, and then finish, and now you'll see the tool up at the top, and it says point, so we find 2 points on, so if we select that tool, now I can click 2 points anywhere on the screen, and it will make an equilateral triangle.